Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to create a new customized course homepage in D2L Brightspace. First step is you'll go to the Course Admin tab up here on the top. That will take you to all sorts of options here, but we want specifically the Home Pages button over here on the right. So I'll click Homepage. And what I want to do is create a new home page. So what I'll do is click Create Homepage up here at the top. That will take me here. So I'm going to name the home page New Course Page Updated. That way I know it's the new one that I just created. I can give it a description if I need to, so I remember what it is. Widget based, I want to keep it widget based. I do have some options there, but I'm fine with keeping it widget based. Then the header, I want to include a home page header. I want it to say new course page. That's what I would like it to say. Then I can change the layout if I want to. Right now, the basic one is selected. If I want to change the layout, I just have to click Change Layout. And I have all sorts of options here if I just scroll down. So you can pretty much customize it the way you want. I'm fine with the basic one, so I'm just going to hit Close for now. If I did, I could change it in there. Now I do want to add widgets because I want some things in this homepage. So what I'll do is I'll hit Add Widgets to the left side, and you have all sorts of options. They're alphabetical. So if I just scroll down, and let's say I would like a news tab to pop up on the left. So I would scroll down to News, click News, and then Add, where I can post weekly updates or something like that. Then let's say I want students to be able to see the calendar on the right side. So I would go to Add Widgets on the right side. And once again, it's alphabetical order. So I would scroll down to Calendar, click Add, and then I'll add a second one. So I'll add another one to the right-hand side. Add Widgets. I'll scroll down. Let's say I want a link to my Getting Started page. So what I do is I'd click that, click Add. Now I've got those two widgets on the right side. So if it's the way I want it, the way I want the course to be customized, I will click Save and Close down here in the bottom left. And I've got this new course page updated. Now, right now it's not being used. What I could do is change this active homepage button to the course homepage that I just created, the new course page updated. That's exactly what I just named it. So I will click that and hit apply. And now, as you'll see on the far right, this is the active home page. So now, if I go to home, I will be able to see those two widgets that I just added on the right. The getting started with the calendar, and then the news page right there with my new course page headline at the top.